Hi there, this is Andy Hayter with Porsche Center Calgary, and what we're looking at here is a vehicle that can do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.9 seconds. That's fast for a Cayenne. For anything, it's really fast. 541 horsepower, 567 pound-feet of torque. This thing is incredible to drive. It really wants to be a 911 Turbo S, but it was born big boned, so here we have it. It's the Cayenne Turbo. This car can tow up to 7,000 pounds, 7,700 pounds, because we have it equipped with the tow hitch. So lots of cool stuff going in this vehicle. Let us go through it together. So first off, the Premium Plus package, giving you the really cool LED matrix headlights. So these headlights are made up of 84 individual LEDs that can individually turn off to not blind oncoming traffic, and giving you the adaptive high beams. Lots of cool stuff on the inside of the Cayenne with that package. So you have heated ventilated seats for driver passenger, heated seats for the second row. We have 4-zone climate control, ambient lighting, Bose audio, panoramic sunroof, blind spot warning, so very well equipped package. On the exterior of the car, we've added the Sport Design body kit. So that paints all the exterior features, the body color, which is Carrara white metallic. So you have the larger wheel arches here, and the painted side skirts, and the painted front bumper, and the painted rear bumper, and they're slightly changed in the Sport Design package. We've added the thermally and noise insulated glass, so this helps reduce noise volume entering the cabin and also reducing heat and the cold. So really noticeable feature there, the thermally and noise insulated glass. The tow package we talked about, we're looking at the rear axle steering next. So the rear axle steer, what that does for you is can increase or decrease your turning radius. So parallel parking the car or doing just type maneuvers. It also helps at high speed handling, so if doing an evasive maneuver, this will help keep the car sure-footed, and it's a lot harder to get this vehicle out of control with the rear axle steering. Comes standard in our GT model cars and our 911 Turbos and Turbo S's, and is an option on the Carrara models. We've added the Sport Chrono package to this vehicle as well, so that is the turn dial and the steering wheel, so you can go from normal, Sport, Sport Plus, individual mode, and Sport Response, and also adds the launch control feature, which is cool, and that's how you obtain the 3.9 0 to 60 miles an hour, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Very cool feature. The push to pass is my favorite feature to talk about. That's a realistic use out of the Sport Chrono feature. So in the center of that turn dial, you push the Sport Response button, and if you're cruising along at 120 kilometers an hour and you're in the 8th gear, it'll instantly shoot you down to 4th or lower, and then you have full power to pass somebody. So this is a great feature for passing. So you'll see that in more of our cars up and coming. We've added the ionizer, so if you have any allergies, this will help reduce those symptoms inside the car. Heads-up display, so you can see the speed and other information on your windscreen. Carbon interior, so we have carbon fiber trim on the dash and doors. Sport exhaust, because it sounds cool. You still have the 4-liter V8 twin turbo underneath the hood, so obviously you want sport exhaust on your Cayenne Turbo. The wheels are a 22-inch Cayenne Sport Classic. First time the Cayenne has been outfitted with a 22-inch from factory, and they look awesome, and they really show off those 10-piston calipers, which are now finished in white because they're PSCB brakes, which stands for Porsche Surface Coated Brakes. They're tungsten carbide baked rotor, so they're reducing the amount of dust emitted by your brakes, keeping your wheels cleaner. So everybody loves a cleaner wheel. So there we have it, 2019 Porsche Cayenne Turbo in Carrara white metallic on our black leather interior. If you're interested in this car, please give us a call, contact us. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to click like and/or subscribe. Cheers.